Hello everyone, I am Sabina Kureshi from Smt.R.S.Kalaria Primary School. Welcomes you to the YouTube channel of Standard 4 Subject Environment. Today we will start our chapter number 1, that's going to school. School. You all might be missing the school. Due to this pandemic, we all are forced to stay at home. But you miss your school, na? Let's learn today how others are going to school. But first I want to ask you, usually in regular days, how were you coming to school? Some might be coming to school by bus, by van, or by rickshaw, or by your own two-wheeler or four-wheeler. And in some of the states of India, students are coming to school by other modes of transport also. So now let us see how in other states students reach their school. So let's start with our first topic, that is bamboo bridge. Where is bamboo bridge? It is in Assam. Let's see where is Assam located. Assam is a state of India. It's one of the state of India. Let's see where is Assam. Assam is in northeast part of India. And why only bamboo bridge in Assam? Because bamboos grow maximum in Assam. Why? In Assam it rains heaviest. So bamboo grows more where it rains more. So let's start with bamboo bridge. Bamboo. What do you mean by bamboo? You can see the picture over here. Bamboo is looking like stick or the poles, and it is the tallest grass in the world. You might be having one question, why madam is telling grass? This long sticks, poles, and why madam is telling grass? But yes, bamboo is the tallest grass in the world, and bamboo grows maximum where it rains. And in Assam rainfall is the heaviest, so it grows more in Assam. So people in Assam use bamboo bridges to cross the road and to reach their school, as because when it rains heavily there is water all over. The roads are also filled with water. When the people are walking at that time, it is knee-high water, so they cannot walk. So they are using bamboo bridge to cross the road or to move from one place to another. They are using bamboo bridge. Let's see how they are using bamboo bridge. You can see bamboo bridge in this video. Bamboo bridge is made with the help of bamboo poles, and a rope is tied with these poles, and this type of bridge is made. In Assam, people use this bridge to move from one place to another. In this way, they walk on this bridge and they move from one place to another, and students reach their school in this way. So this is bamboo bridge. Let's see what the students in Assam are talking about the bamboo bridge. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain there is knee-high water everywhere. What they are telling, that where they are living in Assam, and in Assam it rains heavily. So after the rain there is knee-high water everywhere on the roads. But that does not stop us from getting to school. See, they are patient. Even after the rain, they want to get to their school. So they are crossing that and they are going to their school. By what they are crossing that? They are crossing with the help of bamboo bridge. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with the other. They are holding their books with one hand and bamboo pole or stick with the other. Let's start with our next topic, the trolley. What is trolley? Trolley is an open box which is made up of wood. And where trolley is used? The places where there are many hilly areas and it is difficult to build the bridge. We cannot build the bridge over there. So there people use trolley to cross the river. They want to move from one place to another. They want to cross the river. So they are using trolley. And where is this trolley used? It is used in Ladakh. Ladakh is a state in India. Let's see where is Ladakh located. See the picture. Ladakh is located in the northernmost part of India, and in the beginning of 2020 it is declared as Union Territory. So in Ladakh people use trolley to move from one place to another. They have to cross the river, so they cross the river with the help of this trolley. Let's see the video. You can see the students sitting in the trolley. 4 or 5 students are sitting in this trolley and they are crossing the river. They cross from one end to another with the help of this trolley. You can see how risky it is. Then also they are going to their school. Every day they are crossing this river and they are going to their school. Let's see what the students in Ladakh are talking about the trolley. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. What are they saying? That every day they are going to their school and they are crossing the river, but they cannot swim. So what are they doing? They are crossing that river with the help of the trolley. The river is also wide and deep. There is a strong iron drop across the river. A strong iron drop is tied on both the sides with the help of strong trees and rock, and it is above the river. There is a trolley attached with the rope. A trolley is attached with the rope. That trolley, what I told, trolley is an open wooden box. People sit in that and they cross the river. 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. 4 or 5 people or students can sit in this trolley and they can cross the river. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. As I told you, pulley is a wheel-like structure. It helps the thing to move or to pull the things. So it is helping the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in a short time, and with the help of this trolley, they are reaching on another side and they are going to their school. You might be having one question, what is this pulley? Pulley is an instrument which pulls the things easily. You can see here how the things are being pulled with the help of pulley. We can pull anything easily with the help of pulley. Either it may be heavy or it may be light. Now let's start our next topic, that is cement bridge. Do you know, student, what is a bridge? A bridge is a structure that connects two places, and usually we can see bridge over a water body, a railway line or a valley. People use this bridge to cross from one place to another. And cement bridge, you might be having that question, why cement bridge? As earlier we have discussed about bamboo bridge, and we know that bamboo bridge was not too much strong, but here cement bridge is much stronger than a bamboo bridge. So you might be having one question, how it is made up of, what all materials are used to build this cement bridge. So let's start with the structure of a cement bridge. Cement bridge is made up of cement, bricks and iron rod. Is all materials are used to construct a cement bridge, and it is too much strong as many people can travel at the same time on this bridge. You may be having one question, if people can go through this bridge, then can heavy vehicles can travel? Yes, the capacity of cement bridge is to carry the weight of heavy vehicles also. Heavy vehicles can also go through this bridge, and sometimes cement bridge may also have steps. The best example I can give you is the bridge at railway station. That bridge is used to cross one platform to another. We can cross that platform with the help of that bridge which are having the steps. You can see cement bridge in this video. This bridge is too much strong as it is made up of brick, cement and iron rod. It is constructed over a water body and sometimes it may also have steps. We often need to go across some water bodies. So we use bridges. What are they saying? They are going through some water bodies. So they cannot swim and go. They are using the cement bridge. These are made up of cement, bricks and iron rod. As I told you, cement bridge is made up of bricks, cement and iron rods as it is too much strong. The bridge may also have steps and sometimes cement bridge is also having steps. Now we will start with our next topic, that is Valam. What is Valam? Valam is a small wooden boat. It is used in which state? Valam is used in Kerala. So first we will see where is Kerala located in the map of India. You can see Kerala is in southernmost part of India. And why Valam is used only in Kerala? Because there are many water bodies in Kerala. So if students want to go to their school, so they have to sit in the Valam and they have to cross that water body, either it may be a river, lake, whatever, and they have to reach their school. So they are sitting in that Valam boat, which is a small wooden boat, and they are going to their school. Let's see how the students in Kerala are going to their school. The best example for going to school in Kerala is Valam. As you all know, Valam is a small wooden boat. What are they saying? In some parts of Kerala, we use a Valam. Valam, what is Valam? Small wooden boat to reach their school. They are getting to their school with the help of this boat called Valam. Let's start our next topic, that is Camel Cart. Where Camel Cart is used? It is used in Rajasthan. So first see where is Rajasthan located in the map of India. Rajasthan is located in the northwestern part of India. And why Camel Cart is used in Rajasthan? You know na, Rajasthan is a desert area and only camel can walk on the sand as it is too much hot. So camel can walk easily on the sand. So in Rajasthan, camel carts are used. We all know that camel is also called the sheep of the desert. Why? Because camel can walk easily on the sand and it can live without water for many days. So camel is used in Rajasthan to travel from one place to another. Students or the people are sitting in the camel cart and they are moving from one place to another in Rajasthan or in desert area and they are going to their school. You can see camel cart in this video. This type of carts are found in desert area like Rajasthan. As camel can easily walk on the sand, so camel carts are used in Rajasthan. Now let's see how the students in Rajasthan are going to their school. What are they saying? We live in the desert, there is sand all around. They are living in desert area. In Rajasthan there is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. In the daytime, due to sunlight, it is too much hot and the sand also becomes very hot. We ride in the camel cart to reach the school and they are riding in the camel cart and they are going to their school. As you all know, camel is called the sheep of the desert. It can walk easily on the sand. So they are riding in camel cart and they are reaching their school. Now let's start our next topic, that is Bullock Cart. You might have seen Bullock Cart, especially in the villages Bullock Carts are used. Nowadays in the cities we are not using Bullock Cart, but in the villages still people are using Bullock Carts to travel from one place to another. And the students, those who are living in the villages, they are also using Bullock Cart to reach their school. They are sitting in this Bullock Cart and they are going to their school. And when it is raining, at that time they are using their umbrellas, and also in hot sunny days they are doing the same thing. Now let us see about Bullock Cart, which is used by the students which are living in the villages. What are they we ride in our Bullock Cart going slowly through the green field. They are riding in the Bullock Cart and they reach the school through the green field. It is too sunny or rainy, we use our umbrellas. And in hot sunny days or when it is raining too much heavily, at that time they are using their umbrellas, but then also they are going to their school. Now our next topic is bicycle ride. Bicycle. You all are having bicycle at your home? You all are riding a bicycle, na? You are going to tuition by bicycle, or if the school is nearby your home, then you are coming to school on bicycle also. So in some of the state, in some of the places, even students are using bicycle like you all. So they are riding bicycle and they are going to their school, especially the girls. Girls in the group, they are riding the bicycle and they are going to their school. Now let's see video. Let's see what the girls are saying about the bicycle ride. We ride our bicycle on the long road to school. They are going to their school with the help of bicycle. They are riding their bicycle and they are going to their school. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But first, girls were not going to school as their school was too much far. But after the bicycle, now they are riding the bicycle and they are going to their school. But now groups of 7-8 girls easily ride even through the difficult road. Now small groups of 7-8 girls are riding the bicycle and they are going to their school. Even if the roads are difficult, then also they are riding and they are going to their school. Our next topic is Jugaad. What is Jugaad and where we find Jugaad? So we find Jugaad mostly in Gujarat. Gujarat, we all are living in Gujarat. So first of all, let's see where is Gujarat situated. Let's see the map of India. So Gujarat is located in the western part of India, and in Gujarat we find Jugaad. We are familiar with the Gujarati word chakro, but in English we are calling it as Jugaad. It's a special type of vehicle. Jugaad is a special type of vehicle in which people sit and they move from one place to another. In villages, most of these Jugaads are used. Students sit in this Jugaad and they go to their school. And why we are calling it as Jugaad? Because the front part of this vehicle is looking like a motorcycle, like a bike, and the back side one carriage is there. So people are sitting in this carriage and they are moving from one place to another. Now let's see the video. Now let's see what the students in Gujarat are talking about Jugaad. Look at our special transport. It sounds fat 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 when it runs. Is it not something special? What are they saying? That Jugaad is our special transport vehicle, and when it runs, it sounds fat fat fat. It is the sound of a Jugaad. It's special. The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made up of planks of wood. Why we are calling it as Jugaad? Because the front part of this vehicle is looking like a motorcycle and the back is a carriage which helps the people to sit, and it is made up of planks of wood. So this was for Jugaad. Let's start our next topic, that is children cross the jungle. The people who are living in the forest areas, their students are also going to school. So how they are going to school? They are crossing the jungle. Jungle means forest. So in India there are many states where there are many forest areas. So there also students are going to school by crossing this jungle. As we all know, in forest there is silence all over, as human beings are not there. So they do not hear any of the sound in the jungle. There is silence all over, but only the sound of some creatures, birds, animals is only heard by the students. Now let's clear this topic with the help of video. Now let's see how the students are crossing the jungle and they are going to their school.
What are they saying? We have to go through a dense forest to reach school. At some places, it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. What are they saying? That when they want to get to school, they have to cross the jungle, and that jungle is too much dense. Jungle means the forest. As we all know, in the forest there are many trees, and because of that shade it is too much dark, and even sunlight is also not passing through because of many trees. So they are moving from that jungle and they are getting to their school. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sound of different birds and other creatures. In jungle, birds and creatures, animals are only there. So there is too much silence except the voice of these creatures. So our next topic is moving on the snow. The children, those who are living in northern part of India, the hill stations, the hilly areas which are in northern hills, there is snowfall. So if there is snowfall, their paths are also covered with snow. So if the students wants to go to their school, they have to move from this snow. They are moving on this snow and they are going to their school, especially in northern hills. Now let's see how the students in northern hills are going to their school. What are they saying? That see how we reach school. We go to school through miles of snow. They are traveling through the snow and they are going to their school. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sneaks into it. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. What are they saying? If the snow is too much soft, then their feet are sinking into this snow. But if the snow is too much hard, so they are slipping. So what they are doing? They are holding their hands and they are going carefully to their school. Now let's clear more about this topic from the videos and let's see what the students are saying about the place where they are living and how they are moving on the snow and they are going to their school. Now here we are going to talk about the path where there are many rocks. So that is called rocky path. And where are rocky paths? It's in Uttarakhand. Let's see where is Uttarakhand located. Uttarakhand is located in the northern part of India. There are many rocky paths in Uttarakhand as it is hilly area, so many rocky paths are there. There is no even path over there. Only rocky paths are present in Uttarakhand. There also students are living. They also wants to go to their school. So how they are going? They are moving on these rocky paths and they are going to their school. They are nicely racing up and down and they are going to their school. As now they are familiar about their place. So it is easy for them to walk on this rocky path. But when we go over there, it will be very difficult for us to walk over there. So now let's clear more about this topic from this video. Now let's see what the students in Uttarakhand are talking about their state and how they are going to their school. What are they saying? We live in the mountains, the paths are rocky and uneven. We all know that Uttarakhand is a hilly area and the path is uneven and many rocks are present on their way. So they are crossing that and they are going to their school. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on here. But we can easily race up and down. What are they saying? That the students who are living in a plain lanes means the flat areas, they will find it difficult to walk also. But now we